We can lower his blood pressure. And Imogene can't because they're trying to stop the bleeding in his leg.
Alistair, you are doing
Okay. Good job, Alistair.
I took it out of it. Oops.
Good job, bud. Here. There you go. Such a good job. Here, you can get more. Can I help you get a little more of the bite? Let me just help you scrape the side.
Mom?
Here, buddy, here's a really good bite to give her.
No. Okay.